If your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max won't turn on or is stuck on a black screen, here's how to fix it. First method. Press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and then hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. Your iPhone should automatically turn on. If it still doesn't turn on, try the second method. Connect it to a charger and wait for 30 minutes before trying again, as it could be a low battery issue. Third method. Gently tap the back of your iPhone like this, as sometimes the internal connection may become loose, causing the phone not to power on. Lastly, clean your charging port using a soft brush or towel to remove dust or debris. These are 4 effective methods to restore your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max back to normal. And that's about it. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.